We are shooting documentary about China. Shenzhen is like future city, the city of the technology, and that are the most parts that we want to cover. Also, electrical vehicles are one of the technological parts that we want to cover. I think it will get more popular because environmental friendly vehicles and transportation becomes more and more popular in our country as well. China is more forward with the technology, and that how many transportation vehicles you have now on the site.
I'm shocked about how big is this company and how big a factory is, and it's all automatic. In my country, in Latvia, we don't have something like that. For me, it's so surprised about the sizes, about how big you are. Right now, I'm here and I'm seeing that all of this, and I think it's our future, not only in China, only on the whole of the world. If you will be in our country, of course, I bought it.